Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I will be addressing the question, what is the maximum loan amount for VA loans? With that said, let's dive in. It is the end of 2022. We're going into 2023, and FHFA recently announced that the conventional loan limits, conforming loan limits, will be going up to $726,200 and as much as 1.5 times that amount in high cost areas throughout the country. That dollar amount would be $1,089,300. Well, how does it work for VA? VA used to have loan limits based on county, based on state, etc. But that is no longer the case thanks to the Navy Blue Water Act of 2019. So going forward into 2020, there were no more VA loan limits. So you could potentially borrow $1 million, $1.5 million, $2 million, over $2 million. Of course, you have to be able to afford the payment and the debt to income ratio has to work, etc. But you can potentially borrow much more than you could with a conventional loan, an FHA loan, or a USDA loan. And the nice thing is the VA loans have nice low rates and you can purchase with nothing down, which is amazing. So if you need help with a VA loan, particularly a large VA loan, I'd love to help you. My contact information is down in the description below. By the way, if you wouldn't mind, just drop a quick like and subscribe and make a comment where you're from. Thanks. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.